Hey YouTube, Matt here with a special unboxing that I'll be uploading right away. It is Rhett and Link's Mythical 2.0s. Alright, so this was a late Christmas present from my mom. It just hadn't arrived yet by Christmas. So yeah, it is currently January 3rd. I'll try to upload this ASAP. But I've been having some upload problems. So let's just open it. And my camera's stacked on two books right now because this box is a little big. It's a shoebox. So hopefully I don't scratch the shoebox while I'm opening. And okay, I have to find, there we go. The Ascension box will keep my phone up. Maybe I'll just pop this real fast off camera so that it's easier for me. There we go. Oh, okay. So we have the box. That's better. A little bit. So we have, that's upside down. The Great Seal of the Rhett and Link community. I am a mythical beast. There's the Randler. That's an awesome box. It's made by Tweak. Okay. So let's just open it up. The packaging is all, or the springs of Tweak. Those are awesome. So we have the bottom. These come with 3 pairs of laces, white, black, and pink. So the T's for Tweak, the Tweak Springman, the Tweak sign. As you can see, there's Rhett's face and the guitar pick holder. The white laces and then the pink are under there. The mythical wing. We have the 2 picks. They came before the shoes. So you can just like stick one, or possibly 2, I'm not sure. Right in there. And that's your guitar pick holder. I don't actually play guitar, but you know, it's still cool. Since that's Rhett's face, obviously, that's where the guitar pick holder is going to be. Since Link does not play guitar. So yeah, if you look, there's a pair of black laces and a pair of pink. And then the white's already laced. Well, it's not a pair, it's just one of the laces. We have this thing that fell on the ground somewhere. Oh, it's under my chair. So we have this to stick in the flap. The flap, which you just pop up somehow. Okay, so you have to get it from the sides. So I'm trying to get the flap up. I'm not really. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it kind of pops up like that. It's really ugly right now, but you can put designs in it. I've watched one other video of this. There aren't many on YouTube, but I've heard it's really difficult to get one in. So I'm not gonna deal with that right now, and I'm probably just gonna have the flap down the whole time since I like that better. But you know, it's still a cool feature. Yeah, it was a lot easier to put it down. So here's the other shoe, which has a black lace, a pink lace, and a white lace. And then if you look inside, you'll see a bunch of other inserts. Hello, my name is, some plaid, ret and link. And then you'll see, if you look, it's hard under all these laces, Link's face. So then it comes with, all together, it comes with these. A pair of pink Hello, my name is camo, a pair of ret and links, a pair of Hello, my name is gray camo, and a pair of plaid to customize. So yeah, I'll be wearing these around. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later.